Hey guys, Jackie DeSilva here from Western Massachusetts. And in this video, I specifically want to talk about Raven Essential Oil. So before I begin, I want to mention that these statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This information is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. This information is not intended or implied to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. If you are pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition, please consult your physician before using these products. So I specifically want to talk about Young Living and the Seed to Seal quality commitment of Raven Essential Oil. And before I begin, I want to mention that all oils in the world actually fall into one of four categories: authentic, manipulated, perfume, or synthetic. So what is authentic? Well, it actually means that the oils are 100% pure with no added synthetics or other species in the bottle, such as chemicals. And these are Young Living oils. What does manipulated oils mean? They are actually the final product that has been made to smell more pleasing and less earthy. Some of the heavier molecules have been stripped out, or another species introduced to enhance the aroma, and again, mostly chemicals. Perfume oils are not pure. They are mixed with synthetics to enhance the aroma. These oils have no therapeutic action, and frequently solvents are used to extract the plant. So synthetic oils are not true oils at all. They smell nothing like the original plant and are typically labeled as scented products, and again, these are synthetic. So, for example, authentic is the only true pure oil out there. And synthetic oils would basically be like opening up your fridge, taking a glass of orange juice, and diluting it 95% before you drink it. And diluting it with chemicals. It just wouldn't have the same benefits of a full glass of only orange juice. That's why you want authentic oils. So before you purchase, check to see if the company grows their own plants, has seed to seal, and controls the entire process, from the farm to the sealed bottle. Pesticides, pollution, previously farmed land, all of it can actually affect the quality of an oil. So why would you go the extra step of using an oil to get away from a chemical only to use only laden with chemicals? It just doesn't make any sense. So, for example, if you walk into a grocery store and look at a box of cereal, you'll see nutrition facts on the side. There are no nutrition facts on the side of oils. So that means you have to trust the source. You have to know the company you are purchasing from. So what exactly sets Young Living aside from all the other companies out there? It's their seed to seal process. It's our promise of purity, and you can actually learn more about the seed to seal process at seedtoseal.com. All of Young Living's oils are shipped from around the world to Spanish Fork, Utah, where they actually run through vigorous 8-point testing to ensure purity. Those tests are run in triplicate at the farm, at Spanish Fork, and a third time before bottling. It's why Young Living has never had a recalled essential oil in more than 2 decades of business. You can trust the integrity. So Seed to Seal is based on 3 pillars: sourcing, science, and standards. Young Living's oils are tested by scientists with over 180 years of combined lab experience, and they also do third-party testing with 2 accredited, respected, independent labs. So Young Living Seed to Seal process is a promise of integrity. There are no pesticides used, no artificial fertilizers, and no weed killers. The plants are harvested at their peak, and they are then put through a vigorous testing process. Then they go from the farm directly to your home. Seed to Seal is not a slogan, it's a promise. So let's dig into talking about Raven Essential Oil. So this blend is a cool, refreshing combination of Raven Sara, peppermint, eucalyptus radia, lemon, and wintergreen essential oils. A chili minty blend with sweet undertones, Raven creates a cooling sensation and provides a comforting aroma when applied topically to the chest and throat. Like an effervescent breeze through a groove of eucalyptus trees, Raven provides a refreshing aromatic experience when diffused or inhaled directly. The naturally occurring constituents, eucalyptus, menthol, and methyl, I can't even pronounce those words, to be honest with you, provide an invigorating and empowering experience, particularly before or after a workout or when winding down for the evening. Totally need to practice on those words. So here are some ways you can apply Raven. You can actually diffuse Raven in any stuffy environment for a fresh, crisp atmosphere. You can dilute it with a V6 oil, massage it onto your chest and neck during the cold weather season for a comforting aroma. You can apply it to your feet as part of your bedtime routine. Add a few drops to a hot bath or shower for an invigorating experience. And you can actually dilute it with a V6 oil and rub it on your chest and the back of your neck before an early morning workout to promote the sensation of a deeper breathing. So where can you diffuse? You could actually opt for an effervescent shower experience by diffusing this essential oil with a steam. You can inhale directly first thing in the morning for a refreshing respiratory experience. And you can push yourself to the max and breathe in this cool minty fragrance during your next HIIT season or workout season. Infuse the whole house with an aroma reminiscent of a breeze through eucalyptus trees. And where to diffuse, you can actually brave the grace of work with this refreshing scent. You can help customers feel welcome in your clinic by creating a fresh atmosphere. And you can offer your kids at play or school a cooling respiratory experience. So other Raven experiences, this oil blend, the Raven Essential Oil Blend, has a cool minty eucalyptus aroma that can be applied to the chest and throat for a comforting sensation or diffuse for a refreshing experience. And again, labeled directions, topically you can dilute it with one drop of V6 or olive oil and apply it to desired areas needed, which would actually be a carrier oil. Aromatic way is to diffuse up to 30 minutes 3 times daily. And again, cautions, keep out of reach of children for external use only. Keep away from eyes and mucous membranes. If you are pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition, please consult your health professional prior to use. And you want to avoid direct sunlight or UV rays for up to 12 hours after applying the product. And it's not intended for children under the age of 6 without the advice of a health professional. So some product background of Raven, it's actually a unique blend of Raven Sarah and 4 other bright, refreshing essential oils, the peppermint, eucalyptus radiata, lemon, and wintergreen. Raven Sarah is found within the leaves and wood of the camphor tree, a large evergreen tree native to regions in southern China and Japan, as well as Taiwan, Korea, and Vietnam. You can actually find peppermint grown on our Whispering Springs farm in Mona, Utah. And also some other background information, Raven Sarah's slightly woodsy aroma pairs perfectly with other essential oils in the mint family, including peppermint and wintergreen. The whole experience is sweetened with a sprinkle of lemon, creating the sensation of walking through a crisp, quiet winter forest. And that's pretty much it, guys. I absolutely love this product and this oil, especially in the winter time. We all know we could use in the winter time, especially when you're just a little, feeling a little, you need a boost with your chest or stuffiness or whatnot. So anyways, if you have any questions, guys, feel free to reach out, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon. Take care.